Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can create daily routines using Google Gemini AI. See, I have Gemini app installed on my mobile. If you remember, Google Assistant has daily routines like keeping the alarm or setting a calendar or daily works means reading some news, which are some daily regular tasks which are called Google routines or daily routines in Google Assistant. Here these are called as gems. See here, gems. Okay, if you click on these three bars here on Google Gemini homepage, click on these three bars and click on these gems and click on your gems. Your gems in the sense these are the custom gems or the routines you can say, but here you can create them on the web only. So I already created daily three work ideas because just for this example tutorial purpose I created a gem. I'll execute that first and later I'll tell you how you can create them. Hey Google, it's 10 a.m.
Today's high CPC tech tutorials. Here are 3 trending high value content ideas for your channel. AI agent orchestration with Crew AI. A deep dive into building autonomous multi-agent.
See, I didn't give any text command or voice text command. Just I said, hey Google, it's 10 a.m. So how did that convert my 10 a.m. voice command to my three work ideas? Because I have created a gem already in my Google Gemini, so that by taking my simple voice command, it recognizes my work, recognizes my requirement, and it will give me automatically what I want. For that, we need to create these gems or what you can say routines. So as I said, three dots, three bars, and click on these gems, and here you can click on this. You can create the gems here. Click on the here, so it will open in the Chrome. Okay, if you have laptop, that would be even more fine to create gems here actually. So it will ask like name. Say for example, what name we can give? Maybe my gym motivation, something like that. Okay, or anything of your choice. You can give like description. You can type something. When I want to execute this gym motivation, please do give me three simple points for me to do regular exercises in a day. Okay, in the instruction section, when I execute this voice command like gym motivation, please provide three important points for my gym activity. Every day a new one. So yeah, once you're done, click on the save here and click on preview here. Gem gym motivation has been created, and click on this start chart. So gym motivation, when I want to execute this command, so we'll test this gym motivation. And it is saying a caution like this is for the information purposes only. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. So you always need to remember that you shouldn't be using this for the medical consultations or the health related issues. Okay, you need to remember that. And master the mind and muscle connection, the rule of one more, respect the recovery. See, just for an example purpose I told you this. Okay, you need to create this gem according to your requirement and your productivity. Okay, let us check the gem what we have created. Hey Google, gym motivation.
Progress starts today. Sweat now, shine later. Your only limit is the one you build in your mind. Would you like me to generate a
See here, likewise, it will execute the gems what you have created in the Google Gemini. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.